Hello, tour. Good night. My name is Alejandra Ortiz. I am 24 years old. I live in Bucaramanga with my husband and my son. I student industrial engineer of fifth semester. I work in Cajazán in the area of odontology of oral hygiene. This descripts of my house. This is my house. I live in apartment in floor fifth. Is beautiful and comfortable. We have friends. Cute and ideal for resting. This is my room. We have big bed and top where we put flowers and candle with two room and a diary. We have under the top where I put a lamp. We have an armoire where we and my son. We have enclosed next to the window where we have the stairs and the clothes. My son, you like and sleep in we room. I leave the plants and and to have servers in my house. We have in the bath the towel for both. We have a big mirror with a mark black, a shower, a toilet, and two pictures. I like the elegant look. Thank you, tour. Bye.